Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of seamless transitions in video editing, and we'll explore how CapCut, a popular video editing app, offers unique advantages in this area. Let's get started. CapCut has rapidly gained popularity for its ease of use, wide variety of transitions, watermark-free videos, and high-quality exports. Even if you're a beginner, you can create professional-looking videos without needing to learn complex software. CapCut offers a rich selection of transitions, ranging from classic dissolves and wipes to more creative and modern effects like glitch and 3D transitions. The ability to share without watermarks is a significant advantage over other apps, and the high-resolution export ensures your videos look fantastic online or on social media. Now, let's delve into some specific examples of transitions you can create with CapCut. The dissolve transition, a timeless classic, is perfect for smooth transitions or adding an air of mystery to your clips. The wipe transition, on the other hand, creates a sense of movement or excitement, making it ideal for action-packed sequences. If you want to add a touch of humor or quirkiness, the glitch effect is your go-to. And for those looking to give depth and dimension to their videos, the 3D transition is a fantastic choice. But why are seamless transitions so important? They're more than just visual effects. Seamless transitions make videos look professional by adding a polished look. They create a sense of flow, which is crucial for longer videos to keep viewers engaged. They can also add emphasis to specific moments, highlight key plot points, or dramatic reveals. By setting the mood or tone, they allow you to convey emotions and themes effectively. And don't forget, they provide a canvas for creativity and originality. So don't hesitate to experiment and find what works best for your project. CapCut's features for seamless transitions are not just about variety, they're about accessibility and control. The wide array of transitions lets you choose the perfect one for your specific video project. The intuitive interface makes it easy for beginners, while the real-time preview feature lets you see how transitions will look before you commit. Precise control over timing and synchronization ensures that your transitions align perfectly with your content. And the watermark-free videos mean you can share your creations without any distractions. Seamless transitions are vital for professional videos. They enhance the overall quality, creating a smooth and polished look that resonates with viewers. They help in creating a narrative flow, keeping viewers engaged and connected to the content. They can be used strategically to add emphasis to certain moments or to create specific moods or tones. The right seamless transition can turn a good video into a great one, adding layers of creativity and originality. Here are some additional tips for using seamless transitions effectively. Always choose the right transition to match the moment. It's like choosing the right word in a sentence. Use transitions sparingly. Overuse can lead to distraction. Experiment with different styles and effects to find what resonates with your audience. And don't hesitate to seek feedback. Fresh perspectives can lead to improvement and refinement. And remember, CapCut is not the only tool out there. Other popular tools for seamless transitions include Adobe Premiere Pro, DaVinci Resolve, Final Cut Pro, and iMovie. Each offers unique features and capabilities, so explore and find what fits your needs. In conclusion, seamless transitions are a powerful tool for video editors, and CapCut offers a fantastic platform to explore and utilize them. Whether you're using CapCut or another software, understanding and utilizing these transitions can elevate your videos to a professional level. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.